What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Sorry I'm in a tank top. It's super hot right now in California. But yeah, in today's video we're talking about a new app that's paying Uber and Lyft drivers $50. So I'm gonna have the link below to sign up and I'm gonna tell you how to get that $50. It's pretty easy. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So today we're talking about Current. It's on the bottom of my screen here, Current. I have it here on my phone. I absolutely am obsessed with Current. Why? Because they have a whole array of benefits for drivers, for Uber and Lyft drivers. So the number one thing is that they allow you to get paid 2 days faster with no fees on all your money that you earn. They have no overdraft. Let's see. So sorry, I'm trying to get into all the details. No overdraft of up to $200. So if you go negative $200, you won't get charged. And you can just type in your employer here, Uber, and it's right here. They have it synced in, Uber Eats. You just go and they have a direct login. You can literally log in with your Uber driver account. And Current is super legit. Over 3 million people use it. One of the best things is that they actually pay you 4% interest on your money. So if you put in $1,000, you're gonna get $40 extra per year. That's not the $50 I'm talking about. That's just another benefit. And they're gonna send you a Current debit card. You can use it at places. This is like the future of banking. Actually, that is their motto. It's called the future of banking. Every Uber and Lyft driver, in my opinion, should get this. And again, use my code down below. But here's how to get the $50. If you sign somebody up to this platform and they make a deposit of at least $200 within their first 45 days, which isn't that much. If you know you're an Uber or Lyft driver, you're making, around $200 a day, you can easily get that $50 from your friend. Or, Current's gonna send you that money. You're gonna get it and they're gonna get it as well. So they have an incentive to get it. $50, super easy. Otherwise, you can start making money just with their savings pod. And also you can make money, you can get paid up to 2 days faster. And again, no overdraft of up to $200. So just want to make that quick video about Current. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.